So for the next step, now that I have the data organized, I am going to show you how to make the plot that I asked for in SPSS. So the first way to do that is you have to download your data from Google Sheets into SPSS. So I will go File, and then I will go Download, and then I'll save it as a comma-separated value sheet. And there it goes. It is downloaded. So now I can go to my File Explorer, and there it is in my downloads. And I will take it and I will drag it to my stats folder. And then I will go to stats, and there it is in all my stats stuff. Great. So now I also have SPSS open, so you don't have to wait for that to load. So now we go File, Import Data, CSV Data. And there it is, foreign or domestic. Yours probably won't say examples for fall 2020. So hit Open. Look at that. Plausible, comma, period, double quote. Yes, everything seems reasonable, so I'll hit OK. And that's mostly good. The only thing that it got wrong, so that's discrete variable, that's numeric, that's a discrete variable, that's text, that's a discrete variable, that's text. These are continuous variables, they're money, and that's a discrete variable, that's text. So the only thing, if I cared about release date, I might want to change this. If I went to variable view, I could change this. Wait, actually, let me look again. So the format is month, day, year. So I could change the type for release date to date, and it would be month, day, year. For that should do it. Let's see if that works. So then I go back to data view. It did. And then we go back to variable view, and we would change that to scale, right? So there's release date. Glorious. Splendid. Now, the next step that we're going to do is save, because we just made a bunch of edits. So we save this. We're going to call it foreign or domestic. Save that. Now, the final step is to make a graph. So we go Graphs, Chart Builder. You can say don't show this dialog again when you don't really need it for our purposes. All right, so this is called the canvas. This is where we design our chart. This is where our variables come from. This is the common types of charts that we want to use. And then this gives us some details of what we want to show. We won't mess with this a whole lot this class. So we want a scatter plot for this lab that has colors in it. So I will drag this scatter plot up here. And so it gives us an x-axis box, a y-axis box, a color box, and a filter box. If you did this one, you'd have everything, but you wouldn't have a color box. We don't want to use filter. That would be for hiding data. We don't want to hide any data. We're going to use colors. So our x-axis is domestic. So I just drag it over there. Our y-axis is foreign. So I drag that over there. Notice that this is not our actual graph. This is a cartoon representation of a generic scatter plot with colors. And then our color is a genre. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So you hit OK. It crunches that assignment. And there he is. So then you would, I'm right-clicking that. You could copy it as an image, or you could take a screenshot. Anyway, this goes into your presentation as your output. So that's how to do a scatter plot with multiple colors in SPSS.